The month of October is the month for harvesting root vegetables, but more importantly, the priority this month is the big cleanup before winter. As much as possible, take advantage of a sunny day to carry out all these tasks in the vegetable garden. So, we'll start by pulling up the roots of witloof chicories, which will be used to make endives later. You can also pull up the red beets. You don't have to pull everything up at once. You can harvest as you need. If you need to clear the plot, you can store them in a silo. The same goes for all your carrots. The celery roots should also be brought to the cellar or perhaps stored in a drum. Washing machines to protect them. While small zucchinis do not keep well since they haven't matured, squashes like pumpkins can be stored for a very long time in warmth between 15 and 20 degrees. It is also urgent now to pull up your last late potatoes from the ground, because if you leave them for several more weeks, they risk rotting and catching blight. In October, in the vegetable garden, it is always good to aerate the soil. After weeding it, make sure to remove all the weeds currently, as they might go to seed in the garden later, even before winter. So for that, you will put them in the compost and they will decompose right away, and we will make good compost. Don't hesitate to weed your lamb's lettuce as well, as lamb's lettuce can currently be overrun by grass. There is some chickweed. For that, use a knife and it will allow you to have clean lamb's lettuce. Before winter, and above all, don't hesitate to pull up all those vegetables that won't grow any further in the garden, like beans. In October, we are not safe from a light morning frost. Some vegetables, especially escarole chicories, are sensitive to this frost, so you can cover them with a frost protection fleece or a plastic tunnel. But be careful. With the heat and the daytime sun, there is a risk of rot inside. So make sure to provide good ventilation under these tunnels. And then we will finish our month of October. I recommend planting white garlic, purple garlic, and grey shallots.